Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a wonderful style of peeling your pineapple. After peeling the pineapple, I'm going to be giving it the shape I desire, cutting it the way I want. So I'll do it this way, removing this and shaping it in a unique and wonderful way. For presentation, you can present your pineapple this way. So I'll continue doing it this way until I finish removing all this seeds. It looks like seed, but they are still part of the pineapple flesh. So I'll be doing it like this until I'm through. So enjoy watching this video. So you can see how I'm doing it. So also, why doing it this way, nothing is going to be wasted in this pineapple because I am still going to be using this part that is being removed to put in my zobo. So nothing is going to be wasted in this pineapple. Everything in this pineapple will go into the zobo. So enjoy watching this wonderful recipe and techniques on how to present your food. So after peeling your pineapple this way, you have to now take your time. It's not easy to remove these particles that looks like shafts, but they are still part of the pineapple peels. So watch what I am going to be doing now. It's for you to give your pineapple a nice cut. And also the second side also, you have to remove this. So that's what you'll be doing till you finish removing this shaft from the pineapple. Although people chew it and then use their mouth to remove it, but for today's video I am just showing you an easy way for you to bring this out. Enjoy watching this video, and please don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. In presentation of your meal, you have to make your meal look nice, and that's what I'm doing. So you can see that the pineapple has taken shape. This is lovely. This is a nice presentation on how to slice your pineapple. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful crafts presentation on how you can slice your pineapple and present it to your fans. So this is Ukeme TV. Don't fail to subscribe to my channel and also enjoy watching other videos on how to present your meals, recipes, and whatsoever you want to prepare. You can also check my channel and see how it is done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful video. So guys, here is the pineapple and how to present it. This is a wonderful way to slice your pineapple. See you guys in my next video. Bye.